Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet with a bank transfer. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your App Store and install it. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase and keep it in a secure, private location. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device. Next, open your Trust Wallet and look for the Buy button, usually found on the main screen. Tap on it, and then select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies you wish to purchase. Trust Wallet partners with several third-party providers to facilitate purchases. You'll need to choose one of these providers that supports bank transfers as a payment method for your transaction. After selecting your preferred provider, you will be redirected to their platform. Here, you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. The provider will then guide you through the steps to securely link your bank account. This typically involves verifying your identity and providing your bank details. Carefully review all transaction details before confirming and authorizing the bank transfer. Once your bank transfer is complete, it may take some time for the transaction to process and for the Bitcoin to appear in your Trust Wallet. This waiting period can vary depending on the provider and your bank. After a short while, check your wallet balance to confirm your new Bitcoin. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.